What if the secret to sleeping better wasn't another expensive mattress or sleeping pill, but a simple houseplant? Imagine falling asleep faster, breathing cleaner air, and waking up feeling refreshed every morning. While no plant can magically cure insomnia, several popular bedroom plants can help create a calmer, more relaxing environment. Some release oxygen at night, others add humidity to dry indoor air, and many simply make your bedroom feel more peaceful. In today's video, you'll discover the best bedroom plants for better sleep, how each one may improve your sleeping environment, and the easiest ways to keep them thriving. Stay until the end, because we'll reveal one surprising plant that many people overlook. Yet, it could become your favorite bedside companion. Let's transform your bedroom into a relaxing green sanctuary that helps you unwind every night. Why plants can improve your sleep environment. Plants won't replace healthy sleep habits, but they can make your bedroom more comfortable. Through natural processes like transpiration, many plants release moisture into the air, which can reduce dryness caused by heating or air conditioning. A few plants also continue gas exchange at night, making them popular bedroom choices. Beyond physical effects, research consistently shows that greenery helps reduce stress and promotes relaxation. Looking at green plants after a busy day may lower mental fatigue and encourage a calmer mood before bedtime. Plants also absorb small amounts of certain indoor air pollutants. Although good ventilation remains the most effective way to improve indoor air quality, combined with dim lighting, a comfortable temperature, and a consistent bedtime routine, bedroom plants become part of a healthy sleep environment that feels fresh, cozy, and inviting. Snake plant, the nighttime favorite. The snake plant is often considered one of the best bedroom plants because it is incredibly easy to grow and tolerates neglect. Unlike many plants, it uses a specialized photosynthetic process that allows gas exchange during the night, making it a popular choice for bedrooms. Tea also handles low light surprisingly well and only needs watering every few weeks once the soil dries completely. Place it near a window with bright, indirect light for the healthiest growth. But don't worry if your bedroom doesn't receive much sunlight. Its upright leaves add a modern, elegant appearance while taking up very little floor space. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced plant lover, the snake plant is one of the easiest ways to add greenery to your bedroom without creating extra maintenance. Lavender has been associated with relaxation for centuries thanks to its soothing scent. While growing lavender indoors can be challenging because it prefers lots of direct sunlight, placing a healthy potted lavender plant near a sunny bedroom window may provide a gentle, natural fragrance. Some studies suggest that the aroma of lavender can promote feelings of calm and help people relax before bedtime. Keep the soil well drained and avoid overwatering, since lavender dislikes constantly wet roots. If your bedroom lacks enough sunlight, consider keeping the plant outdoors during the day or choosing another low-light plant instead. Even when not blooming, lavender's silvery green foliage adds beauty and elegance to your room, while reminding you to slow down and enjoy a peaceful evening routine. Peace lilies are loved for their glossy green leaves and graceful white flowers. They thrive in bright, indirect light and appreciate evenly moist, but not soggy soil. Peace lilies naturally increase humidity through transpiration, which some people find helpful in dry indoor environments. Their lush foliage also creates a calming atmosphere that makes bedrooms feel more inviting. Keep in mind that peace lilies are toxic if chewed by pets or children, so place them safely out of reach if needed. Wipe dust from the leaves occasionally so the plant can photosynthesize efficiently and maintain its healthy shine. With proper care, a peace lily rewards you with elegant blooms and year-round greenery that instantly transforms any bedroom into a peaceful retreat. Most people know aloe vera for its soothing gel, but it's also an excellent bedroom plant. Aloe vera enjoys bright light and prefers to dry out completely between waterings, making it perfect for busy plant owners. Its thick, sculptural leaves add a clean and modern look to any bedroom without requiring much attention. Use a well-draining cactus or succulent mix and avoid leaving water sitting in the pot. Healthy aloe vera plants can live for many years and produce offsets, allowing you to grow new plants for other rooms. Their compact size fits easily on nightstands, dressers, or sunny windowsills, adding a touch of nature to your sleeping space with minimal effort. Jasmine is famous for its delicate white flowers and sweet fragrance. Certain varieties bloom in the evening, filling nearby spaces with a pleasant scent that many people enjoy while relaxing. Jasmine needs bright light and consistent watering, so it requires a little more attention than tougher houseplants. During the blooming season, its flowers can make your bedroom feel fresh, romantic, and inviting. Regular pruning encourages fuller growth and more blooms over time. If you have a sunny window, jasmine can become one of the most rewarding flowering plants to grow indoors. Pair it with a calming bedtime routine, and you'll have a beautiful natural centerpiece that brightens your room both visually and aromatically. If you're new to houseplants, Pothos is one of the easiest choices. It tolerates lower light levels, forgives occasional missed waterings, and grows quickly with minimal care. Its trailing vines look beautiful on shelves, hanging baskets, or high furniture, creating a lush green bedroom without taking up much space. Water only when the top inch of soil feels dry, and trim the vines occasionally to encourage bushier growth. Pothos also propagates easily in water, allowing you to create new plants for free. Although it's low maintenance, remember that Pothos is toxic if ingested by pets, so place it where curious animals can't reach it. With just a little care, this versatile plant can become one of your favorite bedroom companions. Choose 2 to 4 healthy plants rather than overcrowding your bedroom. Position them where they'll receive the right amount of light without blocking airflow. Avoid overwatering, since damp soil can encourage mold or fungus gnats. Clean leaves regularly to keep plants looking fresh and free from dust. Use decorative pots that match your bedroom style. And consider adding soft, warm lighting nearby to create a cozy evening atmosphere. Remember that plants work best alongside good sleep habits. Keep your bedroom cool, reduce screen time before bed, and maintain a consistent bedtime. Together, these simple steps can help create a relaxing environment where it's easier to unwind at the end of the day. Now you know the best bedroom plants for creating a calm, relaxing sleep environment. Whether you choose the hardy snake plant, the elegant peace lily, the fragrant lavender, the cheerful jasmine, the resilient aloe vera, or the easygoing pothos. Each one brings natural beauty and a sense of tranquility to your home. Remember, plants aren't a cure for sleep problems, but they can be a wonderful part of a healthy bedtime routine. Which bedroom plant is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more indoor plant care tips, gardening hacks, and home decor inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Sweet dreams and happy planting.